Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online business with Shopify, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of securing your online business. Begin with choosing a strong password for your Shopify account. Ensure your password is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Enable two-factor authentication for an additional layer of security. Next, review your store's permissions and limit access to only essential team members. Regularly update your Shopify apps and themes to maintain security compliance. Install security features offered by Shopify, such as SSL certificates. SSL ensures that any data exchanged between your store and customers is encrypted. Consider using a secure payment gateway to protect customer transaction information. Stay informed about phishing attacks and educate your team on recognizing them. Keep a backup of your data regularly to avoid any loss during unexpected incidents. Conduct routine security audits to identify and address vulnerabilities in your store. Set up a firewall or network security features to guard against DDoS attacks. Regularly update your privacy policy and terms of service to ensure compliance with legal standards. Communicate your security measures to your customers to build trust. Monitor your store's activities for any suspicious behavior. In case of a breach, ensure you have a response plan in place. Continually educate yourself and your team on the latest security practices. By following these steps, you'll safeguard your online business with Shopify effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.